Hey, lovely souls, and welcome to Relax Gardens, your cozy little escape into a world where peace blooms, beauty thrives, and every corner holds a spark of inspiration. Whether you have a tiny balcony, a charming patio, or a wide-open backyard, this is the perfect place to dream, design, and grow the garden you've always imagined. Here at Relax Gardens, we believe your outdoor space should be more than just a spot with plants. It should be your personal retreat, a place where you can breathe deeply, feel grounded, and reconnect with nature's gentle rhythm. You'll find calming ideas, creative tips, and magical little touches that can turn even the smallest space into something truly special. From lush green escapes to charming DIY corners, we're here to spark your imagination and warm your heart. So grab a cup of tea, settle in, and let the garden vibes wash over you. And if you love peaceful, soul-soothing inspiration, don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, and tap the bell icon so you're always first to see our newest creations. Now, let's take a deep breath, slow down for a moment, and grow something truly beautiful together.